Imagine this. You're trekking through the wild, hot sun overhead, a river glistening ahead. Suddenly, whoosh! A massive crocodile bursts from the water, jaws wide, eyes locked on you. Yeah, your heart just skipped a beat, right? Today, I'm revealing survival secrets if you ever come face to face with one of these prehistoric predators. Here's the first rule, and trust me, it's a lifesaver. Never get too close to riverbanks where crocs like to chill under cover. These guys are ambush experts. 1 second you're safe, the next, splash, game over. Second tip, don't ever swim in crocodile-infested waters. And at night, that's when they're really out hunting. But let's say worst case scenario, you're in the water and you feel that unmistakable snap, jaws closing in. Here's what you do, fight back. Go for the eyes, go for the nostrils. Even a well-placed poke or jab can make a difference. Now if the croc starts its famous death roll, that terrifying spin to tear you apart, don't fight the roll. Try to roll with it. Wait for even a split second when its grip loosens, and then break free as fast as you can. On land, run. Just flat out sprint in a straight line away from the croc. Forget the zigzag myth, that's just a rumor. Crocodiles are fast, but they tire quickly. The further you get, the safer you are. And here's some on-screen truth for you. One bite equals sign. No escape. Don't put yourself in that position. Awareness saves lives. So to wrap this up, respect crocodile territory. They're not evil. Just doing what they've done for millions of years. Your best chance, keep your distance. Stay alert. Never underestimate the wild. Your survival depends on it. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the best adventure is the one you walk away from in one piece.